Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Ford Transit Connect XLT. Comes equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Amenities included such as cruise control, dual sliding doors, as well as rear 90-degree open doors, and so much more. Come check it out. Right on the interior on the front, paneling storage next to speakers. You got the power locks and windows there, and as well as your manly adjustable cloth bucket seats. Left side you have vents with lighting control there, and left side would be odometer, cluster, and cruise. And you just have your pretty standard basic vehicle information with trip info and settings, with driver assistance and your traction control. And onto the infotainment, you got your Bluetooth connectivity as well as your CD disc changer with radio, AM, FM, and pretty much your keypad right there. Climate controls right there as well with the AC, with the 12-volt DC port, classic handbrake, and center console storage with auxiliary. Seats can also fold all the way down for a little bit more storage in the back. And passenger side, chrome accents, speakers and vents with a little bit of storage right there. And you got your reading lamps as well as a microphone up top there. So you got these 16-inch wheels with all-season tires. And we'll hop in here. So you got the dual sliding doors, and you got the Adrian steel back here with the mats on each side with lamp up top there. And we'll hop into the back as well. So again, you got the 90-degree open doors here with the lamps at top, as well as the vents in the back here. Of course, you got the mat with a little bit of outlet there with a 12-volt. It's a pretty spacious rear. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2017 Ford Transit Connect XLT, equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and as well as cruise control, dual sliding doors, air conditioning, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.